Alright, so before we get into the actual video, like the rebuild video, this is me from the future. I had to explain something real quick. So last night I was editing a video where I went riding on my R6, and I noticed I still had about 5.5 minutes of rebuild video from this bike, and I thought, okay, maybe I just made the full video and then didn't delete it, forgot about it. But before I deleted it, right before I deleted it, it was in my trash folder, so it wasn't permanently gone. I went back into my channel to rewatch all of the rebuild videos to see which part it was from, and I realized I never included it. I completely forgot about it. I didn't realize I still had it. So when part 4, when I started recording that and uploaded that, I'd completely forgot about the 5 minutes I had already recorded. So I just started a whole new video basically. And unfortunately I made that whole video, edited it and uploaded it. So the only thing I could do would be re-download that video to my phone, add this part in, and then re-upload it. But that would make the video pretty long, and it lowers the quality a ton when you take a YouTube video and save it to your phone. For some reason, it just drops the quality way down. So I don't really want to do that to you guys. I don't want you to see a video that's really poor quality because I had to take it down and then re-upload it. So I'm just going to upload the 5 minutes I did it, sorry, that I did have and forgot about. But I just wanted to throw this in there and make a quick explanation. So what's going to happen is I'll have to move what was originally part 4, change that to part 5, and then upload this before that and make this one part 4. So I do apologize. That did make me wonder, like, has that happened before? Have I just completely forgot to include parts of videos because I thought I already got to them? I don't think it has, but obviously I wouldn't really know. I am glad I caught it. Like I said, it was literally in my trash folder. I was about to clear that out to make some room. And I was like, hey, let me just go back and double check. Thankfully I did. So that all that video almost went to waste. And if it would have, it wouldn't make much sense to you guys because obviously you wouldn't have seen any of the progress and stuff that happened in that video. So I'm glad I caught it. Again, I apologize for that whole situation, but that's me explaining it. Sorry. So this will be part 4 now. And then what I originally thought was part 4 is now part 5. And then there will unfortunately be a part 6, but part 6 should be the last one. It's the last one for the rebuild. Then the rest should be just full-blown riding this bike, hopefully. So that's the situation. Again, I apologize for that. Like I said, I'm glad I caught it. But thank you for watching the rebuild series, and I'll see you in the next one. Appreciate it. So I figured out the issue was the starter solenoid that I had ordered. I kept trying to figure it out, kept trying to fix it and stuff, see why there was no power. Couldn't get anything. So out of curiosity, I put the old one back in just to see what would happen. And sure enough, everything lit up immediately. The bike still wouldn't start, but like it lit up like it was supposed to. So somehow the solenoid I ordered was just not giving power to anything, I guess. I don't know. But here's a new one. Tried from a different company. So hopefully this one will actually work. But that's the old one. I'm going to swap them out real quick, and then we'll see if this one's better quality. Never mind. I won't be figuring out because they sent me the wrong one. And just to double check it wasn't my fault, I went back and looked at the listing. This is not the solenoid in the listing at all. Because the one I ordered looks like this. Not that. So, never mind. I'll see you in another week. Alright, so it's a couple days later. I messaged the solenoid company. They apologized and sent me the correct one for free. I didn't have to return anything, so I'm happy about that. Now I have an extra solenoid if I ever need it for something, if it'll actually fit it. But anyways, this is the new one they just sent me. I got all hooked up, just hooked the battery up, so let's see if it worked. and then I'm gonna be a genius and start the bike with the garage door shut. No, I'm not. All right. I have no idea what the issue is now because the battery's fully charged. I don't even know. So I've been talking to Rick again, if you remember from the ZX10 rebuild. Didn't realize how close the camera was. Been talking to him again about the issues and what's going on with the bike and everything and what's been happening. And he told me, I kept saying like, oh, the battery's brand new, I just bought it. I keep putting on the charger and stuff and the light's turning green, so it's like good, that's not the issue. And he was like, just double check, take the battery out of the ZX10 and try it just to make sure, because it did seem like that was what the issue was, even though it shouldn't have been with it being brand new. But I was stupid, tried to save money on the battery and bought a really cheap Chinese one. And I listened to Rick, took the ZX10R battery out, put it in here, and look what happened. Starts right up. So the brand new battery that I bought from eBay, which, speaking of, I'm going to show you guys so you don't make my mistake. Don't trust them. Bought it brand new from eBay. It was like $40, which is half of what I paid at AutoZone for the ZX10R battery. Yeah, half. So I was like, oh, I'll save some money because, you know, I'm in a pinch right now and I'll make the most profit that I can. Piece of junk. Started the bike one time, never started again, no matter how many times I put on the charger. So don't buy these batteries unless it's something I did wrong, but I wouldn't trust them. Spend a little bit more money, get better quality battery. But so I went through all that, all those problems and stuff, basically for no reason. It was just a bad battery. So I got the new turn signals here because it only has one turn signal up front. So I got the new ones right here. So I gotta wait. Now literally the only thing I'm waiting on is the fairings, which haven't even shipped yet. So it's gonna be quite some time, unfortunately. But yeah, now I'm back to waiting on parts before I do anything with a running bike. But shout out to Rick for again giving me the obvious, well, like, you should try this, even though I didn't want to, but he was right again, so thank you to him. And yeah, now I'm just waiting on fairings. So the next time he sees his bike should be me finishing it up.